In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for sales meetings in 3 minutes. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can go from idea to a scheduled meeting in just a few clicks. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left sidebar. Click Activities. Think of activities as your command center for meetings. Whether you're meeting with a client or aligning with your own team, this is where you can see what's coming up, what's overdue, and what needs your attention. Keeping everything here ensures your calendar, deals, and follow-ups stay organized and visible. Next, at the top left of the activities list, click Meeting Scheduler and choose Pick Times. Pick Times is perfect when you want to propose specific slots that work for you, rather than going back and forth over email. You stay in control of your availability, and your guest chooses what fits them. Now, select the date and time you want. Click directly on a date, then choose a time slot, and enter the meeting details. Add a clear title, set the duration, and include a short agenda or context so your invitee knows exactly what to expect. If the conversation relates to a deal or a contact you're already working with, make sure those details are reflected in the description. A little clarity up front saves time later and helps everyone arrive prepared. Once your meeting looks right, share the meeting link and details. You can copy the link and drop it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere you coordinate with your client or teammate. When they confirm a time, the appointment is locked in and visible in your activities, so you never lose track. If you prefer to host this as a video call, you can also connect a third-party meeting tool like Zoom or Google Meet. Linking a tool like this ensures a video link is added to your meeting automatically, keeping everything in one place and reducing last-minute scrambles. Choose the option you use most often so your guests know exactly how to join, and that's all it takes. By using activities, the meeting scheduler, and the pick times flow, you create a smooth, professional booking experience that cuts down on back and forth and keeps your pipeline moving. Give it a try on your next client conversation or internal check-in, and enjoy the time you get back.